Okay, just running a video on the Martin T70 automatic panel saw. We have a 3.7 sliding table on this machine. V-slide lubrication, which is here. Locking for your sliding table is here. Every 6 months or so you take out the lubrication strip here, you just coat it with a bit of thin hydraulic oil, etc. and then basically clip it back under the sliding table here. Okay, so we come down to the machine, we've got a scorer unit. There's an LED safety light. When the scorer comes on, that tells you that's on. Main blade is here. Really nice overhead guard with a swing away system here. Simply pull that pin out, you can swing the guard out of the way. On this machine we have powered crosscut stops here and here. We also have a special mitre crosscut table, which you can swivel easily by adjusting this handle, by disengaging it. Then you've got to have a micro adjustment down on there. That position is read out on here to plus or minus 46 degrees, or you can see it on the screen here down the bottom. So this is the main home screen of the machine. That's the mitre crosscut table. You've got blade height, blade tilt angle, rip fence position, crosscut stop position. You also come over to here if you get really fancy. You can enter the height of the blade or the height of the main workpiece that you're using. This one here will take the settings back to the last positions that were shown on the control screen. This one here is for the mitre crosscut table fence position. It's always got to be at the back on this machine. And you also have a laser light on here, which you can just touch here. So that's for cutting line indication, which you'll see here. Not quite set up right. It's not quite set up right, so that needs to be adjusted. So we come up here. This is just to show you the basic home screen, which is what we're in now. You have your blade or tool library. So that's the current blade that's being used. If we open that up now, it's called a 300mm Leaks. Okay, if we escape out of there and we go back here, then you see your full blade library in here. You see the Leaks one selected. All you simply do to store another blade is go in here and enter your blade diameter, your blade thickness, your kerf, and away you go, like we did in here. You can see there's your kerf, there's your blade thickness, there's your speed. On this machine you can also enter the minimum and maximum speed for the blade. You can also set the scriber up to go with each particular blade. So we come out of here, the next one we come down to is all your macros. So quite simply you can run like for example a grooving pattern. All you do is put your specifications in here, push the enter button and then cycle through, and you can just do all your grooving cuts etc. in here. So we'll just escape out of there. Then I guess the other main feature is here. It's the maintenance, the calibration. So you come here, this is your calibration, very, very simple and easy. So for your height or your tilt, for example, I'll just do the tilt. You just touch the icon, okay, touch again here. You'll see the light comes on the screen, and you'll see the blade move to a certain position, and now it's recalibrated to 0. So that's all you need to do. So if you just escape out of here and then we come back to the calibration again. For your rip fence it's slightly different. What you have to do is enter, and then you have to read or do a test cut, put the measurement in here, save it, and then basically that's done as well. Again, cross-cut stop position, the same thing. To calibrate that, you need to go there, you need to do a test cut, you put the size in there, you save it, and that's basically the calibration done. The automated cross-cut stop, it's always only ever done for the first stop only. These other features here, these maintenance sections, you've got a timer for how long the machine's been used or operated. You've got diagnosis in here. The rest of this I just simply wouldn't worry about. You've got languages here as well, and you've got another icon here for stuff that you can have on the home screen. But basically I would say with this machine you're better to stick to the main principles, which are using the home page, entering the value. For example, we'll just go here again, we'll take that to 25mm for the height. We go down here to enter, the white light comes on, and you'll see the blade moving to 25mm. So again, home page, blade library, macros for all your grooving and cutting and basically mitre cuts etc. and then we come down here to the other one as the maintenance section with calibration. That's probably all you really want to stick to. Beautiful saw.